Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Hassan, and today I will be presenting penetration testing reconnaissance using Maltego. The agenda of presentation will be penetration testing overview, reconnaissance importance, Maltego tool, what is Maltego tool, why to use it, and how to use it. We will actually see in this presentation. And then phases of reconnaissance, and then the actual tool implementation. Let's see what is penetration testing. Penetration testing is a controlled cyber attack that is allowed by owner or company in order to find the vulnerabilities in the system. This is a controlled attack in order to check the security measures. Now imagine a hacker is going to attack someone's system. What he will do before attacking the system? He will go to gather the information, gather the weak points about the system or any weak channel he is going to find. This is what the reconnaissance is. Reconnaissance is important because by doing reconnaissance you will get the critical information about the target. This is first phase in penetration testing. Now imagine a software is going to do all the tasks for you, like you are going to find domain names, subdomains, related IP addresses, and related phone numbers or something like these you are required for your pen testing. There is a software known as Maltego, an open source intelligence software tool for you. It is used for reconnaissance. This is some information that it is developed by Maltego and used for analysis and data mining, helps to visualize the relationships available in community and free variants. Key features: graph-based visualization. You can say Maltego is just like the Google Maps of for hackers, but this is a legal one. Like you have the nodes and edges, you can find the road maps, you can measure the distance, etc. Pre-built transforms, automated data collection, like you can get the data in a single click. This will find all the data which is available open source or somewhere on internet. Integration with OS INT sources, WHOIS, DNS, and shorthands. This is where your some sites information is available. Custom transforms, that you're going to do a specific thing, then you can do custom transforms. Phases in reconnaissance. There are 4 phases in reconnaissance. First, you're going to identify the target. You start with a domain like google.com and you will collect the data. In the second point, Maltego finds its subdomains like webmaster.google.com or something like this. Then it will map the relationship. It draws a social relationship that this domains belongs to this and this, and these numbers are registered with it, and this is what the relationship mapping is. And at number 4, it is going to give you an analysis and report, but this is actually the manual work. You are going to check what are the weak points here, where to attack. Maltego workflow. In order to work with Maltego, you have to create a new graph, add an entity, like add an IP address, domain name, or something like this, and then you run the transform that what you want to find. What you want to get from this IP, like it's the owner's name, owner's entity, or some information about IP address, sub IP addresses, or something like this, and then you will analyze the result. Use cases. In order to use the Maltego, you can say company a.com, company.com, and the domain of the company has a subdomain like test.company.a.com, okay, or acompany.com. Now this domain is created but ignored by the company, and if you use the Maltego tool, you can find that domain and you can say that this domain is going to be a weak point where I can inject the system. This is what the use case is. You are going to footprint a website, like finding the domains, subdomains, DNS, SSL certificates, person of interest investigation, like you're going to attack its social media, email leaks, etc., network enumerations, and threat intelligence. Advantages: uh, it is automated software, like you are going to save your time. Second one, you are going to visualize the complex relationships. What is the relationship between them, and how you can see the mapping actually. Extendable, it is you can use for your custom attacking or custom transforms. Help in compliance and ethical hacking, you better know this. And now we will see how the tool works. This is how the Maltego interface looks like. After clicking on new, you will see this type of graph sheet. On the left side, you will see the entity palette, and in which you can see, uh, you can actually select on what basis you will get the information. You can use devices, date time, DNS, or something other. You can check the list later. But I'm going to use IPv4 address, and this is IPv4 address some random. I'm going to change it with Google's IP address on which the Google works, and this is 142.251.10.138. Right click on it and I will check the transforms, and I'm going to use domain name system or something like whois address. I'm going to check the whois address. And now you can see the mapping. I got 2 domains and a phone number belong to it. Network dash abuse at the google.com and arin dash contact at google.com. I have seen these ones. Now I will click on another and domain name system, and waiting for the results. This will give an IP address. Yes, this again give a DNS. Sorry, this is a domain name system. Let's see about Wikipedia. Okay, let's see the location details. And this is working, and you can see the 2 United States locations, and with some address of net block comes in. You can now check, you can place it in different directions, different ways. You can see different type of topologies. Location, and I want to get another entity property. Let's click on into another entity property, and I want to get text. Right. And from location, I got something, and this is the GPS address in where this server, this IP address belongs to.